Something is going on in this Tinubu's administration, and I don't believe that Tinubu is in charge. For those of you who don't still understand what is going on in Nigeria right now, because this is scary. I know that so many people in Nigeria don't care. They don't care about anything that is going on, but this is scary. It started by allegation to the Tinubu's chief of staff personnel, that is Femi Bajabiaminda. So they accuse him of trying to extort 600 million naira from somebody. And boom, this is what we just hear. You see this man in this picture? His name is Prince Adeniyi Matthew. They said that this man created a fake government agency. How possible is that? And he called it Presidential Foreign Intervention Promotion Council. Appointed himself as the DG, that is Director General of this organization, this office. He secured an office space at the Federal Secretariat. How possible? He now went on and opened a CBN account in his name. A CBN account. Oh. He got 1.3 billion allocation in 2026 budget. How? Summoned ambassadors to meetings, held strategic section with ministers, and even represented Nigeria at international conferences. He summoned ambassadors. He represents Nigeria in international conference. He got a CBN account. He got billions of naira in budget in his office. And that office was created fake. It is a fake office he created. No, make it make sense. How possible is this? How possible? You know, I took my time to reason about these things. I took my time to understand who is this man. I discovered that he's indeed a friend to the chief of staff to the president, Femi Bajabiaminda. He's his friend. You understand? They know each other. Tinubu know this man. And he created a fake portfolio, a fake office. And they put money for him in the budget. Like, this is scary. If someone can create a fake office, do all those things, then how possible is it to create a fake soldier? A fake DJ of anything, a fake INEC, a fake Nigeria. Can you see how possible is it to create everything fake in this country? Even a fake president is possible to create it for this thing to happen. But you know what? it doesn't shake an ordinary Nigerian now. It's nothing. No, I don't. I personally, I don't take things like that now. Like, I don't see these things to be just something that is funny. No, I'm not the kind of person that see this kind of thing as a funny something. Guess what? They have taken this man's case to court, and this man is ready to expose everything. Let's see how this case will go. This case might even die because they will not allow this man to say what he knows. Like, what kind of country are we? And the chief of staff, this man is a legend. That chief of staff is demanding close to 800 million naira before he can help him to do something. In other words, someone somewhere created this to find in his account some money that was, budgeted for 2026 fiscal year. It means it's not just an ordinary. That was how they created the Ministry of Livestock. What is the Ministry of Livestock doing now? They created it to expand this, right? This is what is actually going on in Nigeria. But I know that so many people don't know. They don't know about this. Like, they don't know what is actually going on in Nigeria. But this is supposed to be an evil. And we're supposed to call it evil as it is. Anyway, Nigerians don't bother. They don't care about all these things. So why should someone be so much worried about people who doesn't even care about anything? Even though their country is in the market right now for sale, people won't care. They won't worry. As far as they have connection of eating either good money, oil money, or political money, my brother is a senator. Yes, I know someone who is going for Senate or House of Rep. That is Nigeria for you. I want to get connected. I want them to recognize my business. Oh, I am so person. I want to sell my business to them. That is Nigeria for you. This is incompatible to my reasoning at all. It doesn't make sense at all. There is no country who progress in this manner. Everything fake. Embezzlement, this one, no consequences. Like, no, things doesn't work in this way. Anyway, let me know what you think about this, because this thing is somehow funny, but when you look at the other way around, it's not funny, it's scary. It's scary.